I'll be talking about Praseed Pai's knowledge quadrant. This is former US Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld. Thanks to him, I got the idea of creating a knowledge quadrant, and which I have used as a framework for learning new things. On February 12th, 2002, Donald Rumsfeld made a startling speech in a press briefing. Here is an excerpt from it. There are known knowns. These are things we know that we know. There are known unknowns. That is to say, there are things that we know we don't know. But there are also unknown unknowns. There are things we don't know we don't know. So when I happened to read it in a newspaper, I got stunned and I couldn't comprehend anything, and I thought it to be a recursive sentence. I analyzed the sentence for a while, and after half an hour's effort, I converted that into this form, or a quadrant form. So I got 4 cells: known knowns, known unknowns, unknown knowns, and unknown unknowns. Let us linearize it. KK stands for known knowns, KU stands for known unknowns, UK stands for unknown knowns, and UU stands for unknown unknowns. A framework for learning. One can use this quadrant as a framework for learning any discipline. The discipline can be computer programming, physics, chemistry, or mathematics. Personally, I have used it to learn about a lot of disciplines or subdisciplines in economics, game theory, philosophical schools of thought, to name a few. So before you endeavor to learn any new discipline, first and foremost you keep an inventory of known knowns, things which you know that you know about a discipline. You should quickly review it. You can consult Wikipedia or a couple of standard textbooks in the area of your interest. Then you should try to tackle known unknowns. You know that you do not know about something in a discipline. You can read about it, or you can consult an expert on it, or you can go to places where experts hang out in the area which you are interested in. Unknown knowns, the stuff which is known to others but you don't know anything about it. An element of serendipity is necessary to know about this. One can boast about the knowledge and get hit to know about this. The basic idea is you go to a place where experts hang and talk to them as if you are an expert. They will bother to correct you, and in that process you will learn a lot of unknown knowns. Unknown unknowns, the stuff which are not known to you and others also do not know about it. This will be in the frontier of any discipline, and that might be a future research topic. You cannot do much about it if you don't want to become an expert in your chosen area. When you aim for global maxima, UU is a research area. That means, imagine that in economics, you have got a hunch that okay, you know something which others don't know, but you need to elaborate the idea. And if you manage to elaborate the idea, then it is, and you aim for global maxima, that means you are going to publish it in a international journal of repute, then it can be a research area. But at a local level, on a daily basis, there are cases where you will be in a groove where a particular stuff is, you have got a hunch that you know something about it but others don't know it, and if you can innovate by bringing a non-solution from your non-knowns in other disciplines, it is called innovation. I hope this will be of use to you in future. At least personally I have found that okay, it was useful for me. Thank you.